Mami Pans, oh.
Sige na!
Ano,
Hinahanap
sige
na.
na.
Sabi,
Hinahanap na, sabi. Tanong mo dyan kay Clay. Hinahanap ka.
this voice is so intimidating.
Kasalanan, kasalanan talaga yun ni Kicks. Kasalanan mo yan.
Hindi, hinahanap ka nga. Tanong mo dyan kay Clay. Tanong mo.
Bakit mo
Oo,
na
hinahanap ka. Hanap ng kakampi.
Hindi pa.
Pero hinahanap ka niya.
Hinahanap ka nga.
Sabi niya.
Hinahanap
Upload,
ka.
upload mo,
Oh.
upload ko to. Upload ko to.
Ano yan?
Upload ko to. Tapos isend nyo yung link kay Che.
No.
Super chat. Teka lang.
Hoy.
Ayan.
Mabait yun. Cupcake, mabait siya.
Okay, oo. Galing magluto yun.
Bakit binibenta nyo na si Che?
Ano?
Hindi ako malambing, sabog eh.
Ayan.
Ano?
Dali, mag-hi ka. Yung mag-hi ka, Cupcake. Sino nag-world chat? Dali.
Ah,
Wow.
hey!
Sige, teka.
Ayan. Ay, ayaw mo daw mag-pad sa FB. Add ka daw niya.
Ala ka! Sige!
Oh.
Uy, mas stay focus. Mas stay focus.
Gagi.
Ay, invite ko kaya sa Discord dito. So, join siya dyan.
Ay, kakain.
No.
Baliw.
Baliw ka.
Mamay, pwede dun sa public chat.
Oo.
Oo, para mag-usap kayo.
Anyari. Ang
Kaya,
ginagawa niyo siya.
Sa Sinister tayo, di ba? Sinister, no?
Opo.
Sige.
Lalaban ko ako lokoy na to.
Lalaban tayo. Tapusin
Lalaban.
natin ng laban.
Laban sila.
Lalaban dito. May mga tao eh. O mga
Wah.
dedelila.
Wah.
Wala yung mga teammates ko.
Ayun, no? Ayaw mo
Wala
daw
kayo
pa sa FB.
Let's go.
Ay, sabi niya,
Uy, tite. Nandito na si tite.
tite, ang potek.
Tite!
Hello, tite!
May naalala ako sa tite!
Si Raul.
Uy, ano ba yan? Sumasakit yung tenga ko. Diyos ko.
Ay, sorry.
Ayun, nawala.
Sorry.
Si Babu.
Invite ko si Che dito
Tapos
para...
ka daw muna, pang
Mapet!
girls lang.
Mapet!
Sorry, lalabas ako.
Mapet!
Mape.
Mapet!
Hala, hindi ako naka-purchase ng relic ba? Sad.
Hindi na pwede yung baby. Pwede ba ba?
Hindi na.
Hindi na nga, oo nga.
Ako naka-ano kanina.
Invite ko si Che dito, tapos para sumali sa,
Sumakit yung
sa
ano.
baseball.
Trap. I-trap siya, i-trap.
Baka magselo si Che niya, huwag yung ganyanin, patay.
Igagi.
Ika na ta.
Ay, sorry, sabog. Sabihin mo na lang, hot tea yun, hot tea.
Hey, Cupcake, I thought you cannot playing today. Like this week.
What?
You said you cannot play this week.
What?
You said you gonna play this
You
week.
said you cannot play this week.
Did I say?
Mm-hmm.
Translator na.
Papa, you are drunk last time when you talked to me.
Oh my god.
Oh.
That was Patricia. That wasn't me. I'm sorry, guys. That was Patricia.
What the hell?
Yes, Cupcake.
Yaon.
This is the reason. Where are we again?
No idea.
Sinister. Chup chup will chup chup there.
You
We'll just chuplets there.
Oh.
Yes. Let's go, kanan, huh? What's kaliwa again?
Left.
No, in
Alin?
Indo.
Ay.
Kanan is right.
Kanan is right. But what's left? What's left?
Kiri.
Uh,
Kiri.
Kiri?
Yeah, kiri.
Kiri. Mm-hmm. I'm learning. Go inside after. Ah,
Dami nung sinister na laban.
let's go.
Kunti lang tayo. Saan yung iba?
Yeah.
Mag-buff. Pwede pa mag-buff, di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Labas
Where are
ka
the
na.
others?
Babuff nga ako.
Let's check Axo then. Axo Pex.
Axel.
Sinister fighting us?
I don't know about you, no. He is chatting me like Bunny.
Paano?
Bunny, please be gentle. Then-
5 minutes.
Oh, they are just a few. A few.
Let's go.
How many people in Sinister? Are they going to going on us? Instead, Axo.
Or they are going also. On
They are
1, 2,
currently
3, 4, 5,
24?
6, 7,
I think
8,
they're
9.
24.
Only 9 was checking here on Axopix. Let's try to.
We don't have enough member to split.
Should we
Yeah,
split?
we need.
Because we don't
No,
have
no.
enough.
We don't have enough member. That's why it's time
Yeah.
to split. We have to focus on one rather than losing
We
two.
can't.
Are we going
They can
focus?
do it
Are we
themselves.
going to focus on Sinister?
Yeah.
Yeah, Sinister.
Currently,
Iron
they have
Chance.
lots of members.
Hmm?
I think they're about 23,
Wait.
Sinister.
1, 2.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 25. They're
Oh,
25.
25. Mm-hmm.
And we're 16.
Well, we can.
We
Let
can?
Vincent carry in the middle. Yeah, just Sinister.
Oh my god, where's my party at? Don't forget the barricades.
I hope I won't.
Did they split up? I don't think so. We
Kaya
still
pa natin ito at dami nila eh.
we still have 3. We still have 3 ding. At least. Ayaw. Mapit.
Tell them to go Axo.
Let's go.
GG yata tayo dito.
Yeah, GG.
Okay lang yan.
Let's have some fun.
Andyan
Let's
si Void. Present siya. Wait.
We have a lot of fake CP.
Mm.
Oh. Tining, tining, tining.
Like CP, just Goose member.
Yay. Yay. Where are my people at? I'm
Let's make it
kinda uploading videos and not renaming it.
Ala, may nagmura. Sino yun si Rainy-san?
Si
Nahanap ako,
ano?
nahanap ako siya ni Boss Isol. Binubuga ko din yan eh.
Nandito
Pambansang
yan.
bugaw. Pambansang bugaw pala to si Kicks. That's so...
I think Ray is in here. Discord. I invited her last time. Relic? Oh my god.
30 seconds na.
We are dead. Oh no.
Hoy!
The hell?
Kaki!
Nandiyan ba si Boyd? Na ata si Boyd. Ayun na, patay na.
Hey, Tite, where is Vincent?
We are
I
dead.
don't know.
We
Let's
are
do it.
dead. They're dead. Dead. Let's come. Come quick.
We're dead.
Paliwanag pa si Che.
Oo
Kaya
nga.
nga.
Oh my gosh! Ayan na. Suicide.
Suicide Squad.
Rico suck.
Yay!
Oh my
Teka,
god,
teka.
I'm so lag. Shit.
Laggers. Ayun na, mga pangit.
Sakit sila.
Na-check
Bakit?
it.
Pasira.
Sakit.
Oh my God. Hindi ko to pa. Andyan na sila. Hindi ko to malagay ngayon.
Yeah. Cupcake.
Check it.
I died. I know.
Ah, okay. I died.
Ang
We
sakit
died.
nila.
We shock
Super.
it.
Check it.
Sila
Vincent not here, Vincent? Where is he?
Where are the others? This is suicide.
Dude. Oh my god,
Come
I'm
on,
not
guys.
PvP. I forgot PV.
What? Ano?
Tawag ka sa
Dyan.
world.
Bakit? Ang kulit nila.
Let's go.
Ayun, may naghahanap sa'yo. Sino yun?
Si Papa. Ang
Papa.
weird.
Boylet mo ba yun?
Hindi.
Go from the right side. Vincent, go middle.
No, I died.
Overcome. Power. Power.
Ooh! Damn it.
Middle.
Naglag ako. Ayaw na gumalaw. Tatwa na siya.
No.
Ano nang itsura ko dyan? Ayun, patay.
Oh, Tite, where is Vincent?
Ang check it.
Lego.
Missing.
Missing in action.
No, I died.
This motherfucker.
Vincent is not here.
He's the one who offered me to go split. Now he's the one who's like, gun. This fucker, really.
Fuck. Oh
Oy,
my god, we
oy.
still have barricade here, my god.
You didn't set up the barricade.
I think it's Cherry because she's
She's not-
absent.
Her phone is... What? Is it dead?
Mhm.
Is her phone dead?
Yes,
No,
it's dead
Cherry Bomb.
inside.
No.
JJ.
JJ.
Oh, you go like from the side, from the right side. Go from the right side. Don't go from the middle. Right side is free to enter. If you want to go to the middle.
Okay.
So, right side.
Because I'm in the middle alone.
Lego.
Tite, go from the right side, Tite.
Dude, they are
Ouch,
they are
Eri.
here.
Sakit ni Eri.
They are at
Ay,
the middle.
Patay ako.
I'm at the
Ay,
middle
sorry.
also. That's why go from the right side. I'm on the middle a lot.
Dilaw.
There's buff tower, buff tower. We get the buff tower. I know we can. They're focusing on my barricade here. Our barricade on bottom is going down.
Aray, aray, aray.
Lap, lap, lap.
Ay!
It's fine, guys.
It's fine, we'll know this will happen.
How many are we? We're-
Earlier, we're 16.
Oh,
We're,
okay.
we're
Where's
22.
Ay,
Ting, ting. Oh my gosh, our barricade is dying.
Just like my fart. Charot.
Huh?
oh my
Naghugot pa.
Part?
No, heart of mine.
Yes, we
Disaster.
are.
A lot of us are not around, that's why. We're outnumbered and outpowered.
Yes. Slay.
absolutely. There's
So we need merge. We need players. I
We need
guys.
active players.
Mm-hmm. It's really hard to.
I mean, we still can hold if they can go like from the right side, and we can hold the middle, and let the rest of them like like hitting our middle. But we can secure on basically like the middle part.
What you said.
Like go from the right side,
Mm-hmm.
secure their middle.
Okay.
Instead like mag-pin them on our middle.
They are here.
Yeah, because we're already in the middle. Like, at lots of them are.
They're still. They are on left side too.
Right side as well.
FNR Higgle this.
Mm.
Oh, done. They took the. What number is this? 6. Number 6.
Dingo, dingo, dingo,
One each one.
dingo.
oh my god.
Oh my god. No, we can't. We're only 20 pesos.
Oh,
22. 22. Just like 5 parties?
yep.
Ah, no. 4 parties.
Or, oh,
And lacking of rep. Oh, this getting too hard.
okay lang yan.
Kinchana.
Sana, at least we're cute. Sana, sana.
But the merge is going as planned. Oh my god.
Oh, shit. Wipe out.
Wipe out. I will just check the members. Yeah, just got... Where's Riari?
AFK.
Yeah, AFK. Zero, I think I saw her. Zero. Gosh. So basically, it's 22, CJ. 22 members. Mhm.
Oh my God! Fucking Void.
We need some ones.
Lapit na. Lapit naman talo.
Lapit naman. Let's go!
Ay, nako.
Katambay na lang.
Ah,
Yeah.
higa. 30 seconds of lying on the floor. I don't want to lie. Ayoko.
Uy!
But,
Uy!
the end. Ah,
Ayun.
Gagi!
GG. Ah, I need active members. I can't survive this shit. 14, 15, 21, 22. 1 to 8, 9 to 16, 17, 24, 25, 32, 33. Oh, 31. They are 31. We are 22. Ganjana.
Thank you, guys.
Thank
Thank
you.
Thank you. Babush.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
We'll proceed as planned.